Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am back from Vegas, from Artisan Summit, and I'm going to do a video today using more Decoart products. So I'm using the fluid acrylics, dioxazine purple, primary magenta, and cadmium orange, as well as the white. And then I didn't have a yellow, so I'm using the Artist Loft deep yellow here, and I'm using the Decoart Pouring medium. So I thought this would be a kind of a fun color combo. And in my cup here, I'm going to pour lightest to dark. And down in the description, I will put all the mixing ratios in there. These are just the paint plus the pouring medium with no water. The yellow was a little harder to mix in, and it is a little bit thicker than the other ones. Despite the fact that I hardly used any paint in there. So I have found it to be a little bit difficult to mix other paints with this. And I hardly put any paint in there. So I'm a little, you know what, actually, I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. The mixing instructions don't call for water, but I was about to pour that in there and it's a little thicker than it needs to be. So I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water. We'll see how that goes. I have had difficulty mixing in thicker paints with this pouring medium per their instructions. Alright, so here's the yellow. Hopefully that works out okay. And then let's go ahead with the orange. I do love their fluid acrylics. They're gorgeous, really bright colors. Okay, and then we'll do the red. Alright, and then we're going to go with the purple, and we've got just a smidge of the purple. And this is such a vibrant purple. I love it. Okay, there we go. Now I was going to originally flip cup this, but I'm thinking this is going to make a gorgeous tree ring. So I think I'll actually do like a traveling tree ring with this. Let's try it out and see how it goes. So I'm going to start over here in this corner. Here comes the white. Okay. And I have a little bit left in my cup, so I'm going to kind of fill in the corners a bit over here, so I don't have to stretch as much. Well, it's definitely going to be interesting, guys. So we can already see some crazy cells popping up. Let's go ahead and do our tilt. Bring it back this way just a little bit. Okay. That is pretty and very interesting. Loving the cells there. Okay, so let's, as usual, we'll let it sit. We'll let it settle. We'll see what's going to develop with those crazy cells there, even just in the last like 5 seconds. Look at those crazy cells. Actually, what I'll do is I'm going to leave this on like a time lapse. So I'll come back in about 10 minutes. Okay, we're back. It hasn't even been 10 minutes. And look at all these crazy cells. It's like I did a swipe. It's insane. And this with the purple and the yellow and the orange is just amazing over here. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. All right, so we've got the lower right-hand corner. I like the kind of delicateness of this white with a little bit of orange over here. And then we're going up to the upper right-hand corner. very interesting cells in here. Like I've pretty much only seen with the Decoart products. Really interesting. And then over here is where it starts to just get awesome. So we have, this is the upper left-hand corner. It's like a lava rock, right? Like there's rocks with lava underneath. That yellow is just so bright peeking out from there. And then the lower left-hand corner and this crazy brick road through here. It's just awesome, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Definitely try out these Decoart products. They're really interesting. You just go to decoart.com. You can pick most of them up from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, etc. And I'll post all the materials down in the description. Otherwise, I will see y'all next time.